Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max Bluetooth connectivity issue. Guys, many iPhone users are facing that their iPhone 15 Pro Bluetooth is not working properly and they don't know what to do. So don't worry, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to restart your iPhone 15. The first step is to try restarting your iPhone as this can resolve many minor issues. Tap on your settings and then go to your general and you can see your option shutdown. Simply shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, you are still facing the same issue, then you have to reset Bluetooth settings. For doing this, simply you have to again go to your settings tab, go to your general, and you can see your option transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. This will delete all saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection and you will need to reconnect to them again. After doing this and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try solution number 3, turn Bluetooth on and off. Toggle Bluetooth, you go to your control center and toggle Bluetooth off and then back on again in the control center. After doing this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to forget device. Go to your settings and scroll down and tap and then go to your Bluetooth. Then simply tap on the device which is causing the issue. You can see your option forget this device. Simply forget this and then reconnect the device again. After doing this all your solution you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iOS. So if you can check if an update is available for your iPhone by going to settings and going to your journal, then software update and see if there is update available. If there is update available, then you have to update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating this iOS 17 and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to reset all settings. If none of the methods work, you can try resetting all settings. Go to your settings and go to general and then you can see your option transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on it, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.